was weird because it was just a funny day. It's our last day. The first thing was you got our tickets wrong. And you said, hey, fuck's sake. I said, what's wrong, Bubby? You said, I fucked up. And I didn't believe until you said that you got our tickets wrong. I just was quiet like this. I thought it can't get any worse than this, you know? You booked them for today, not for tomorrow. So, big fuck up, but it's been funny and eventful from that moment. That's it. Shooting.
Yeah.
So Costa did his first experience in the jungle. You can tell. I'll tell you what it is without him telling you. He looks like he wants to do it again. Do you?
No.
Cut! Cameraman has not cool. So, anyways, we are experiencing our first day, and the first 5-10 minutes was very crazy but cool because we was in a village and we just saw people living their normal lives and everything was so beautiful. But now, right here where Costa did a dump, it doesn't get better than this. So beautiful.
So I just took another shit in the jungle. Was nastier than the first time, and I ran out of toilet paper. So I used the grass and the trees around and the leaves. Mimi doesn't know that. She's chilling there with locals.
He's gone up the tree. He's just chilling up there now. He threw some coconuts we've been eating. Look. It's the freshest coconut meat I've ever had. Guys, it's seriously is the best coconut meat you've ever had. Look at these kids just sharing their coconuts with us. This guy's coming back down the tree. Amazing. Look, smash that coconut. Simple. He's just come from another shit.
So we've just been passing the roads and Mimi saw these beautiful little creatures over there and she's taking pictures of them now. What I noticed is an ugly, nasty brown pig over there. You know?
Bye goats.
Bye
They
goats.
don't understand the love that I have for other goats. There's this natural love that we have inside of us that everyone else will understand, okay? He doesn't get it. He doesn't get it, but we've got a good vibe, haven't we? Yeah?
Okay, baby.
Why are you filming all the time?
Dreaming. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum at the airport. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Ba-da, I wanna fly with you.
Darling Costa is finding us some coconuts. Oh gosh. Monkey, monkey, monkey boy, baby. See this method. Victory! Malady!
I just took a coconut for Palma tree. with from the palm tree with a stone. I broke it. Now I'm drinking juice.
And now you're sharing it with your girlfriend. Look, share it with your girlfriend. Now you're going to share it with your girlfriend. Come on. Share it with your girlfriend.
Ba-da-ba-bum. At the airport.